Yo, welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you're all well. Today is bike build day. We have the Norco Optic chilling in the stand, and we have our wheels, we have the suspension, and then we have all the little bits and bobs as well. We have the valves, we have the chain, we have a bottom bracket and a headset, and we of course have some nice candy red, and we have all the P&W components. Let me know what I should do. Should I do black grips or should I do orange? I have orange logos on my handlebars that you'll see soon, but let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. It was a super exciting day for me, and yeah, like I said, I hope you all enjoyed it. We got some good feedback, so really stoked on all that. But now we're into the exciting parts. We get to really see the bike and the build come together, come to life. Yeah, we're not gonna bore you too much with all the sort of little details like shortening the bars and all that, but I'll put the camera and on a stand and we can watch the bike come to life, really. Give the video a like if you're stoked on it and you're excited to see the build at the end of the video. And yeah, let's get stuck in, and I guess we can start by seeing if the headset fits. So, good news, I reckon that this is gonna fit. Boom! Installed. So, this is the first time for you guys seeing these forks. How cool are these Onyx SC DVO forks? Give the video a like if you love the look of these forks. I think they look insane. One cool little fact about the green is I actually asked for black forks to start with, but I didn't know that DVO require to have their factory riders run green forks, which makes complete sense because they stand out and people go, oh, they're DVO. So yeah, I actually really like this. It's hard to see, but there's like a sparkly green to this. I quite like the grey and the black as well. I mean, I think it's gonna look pretty sick. The build's gonna stand out for sure, and that's what catches people's attention. So pretty cool as well how the steerer has measurement as well. Most, well, when I was with the brand I was with before, they didn't have any measurements. So it was like a guess, but this is cool. Oh. That was easy. Man, I was about to butcher this fork with this flathead and this rubber mallet to put the clip on, but it comes on, so I never knew that. Well, that's a relief. We need to look for a stem. The range. Pretty sure this is it. Yep. So with this stem, pretty damn neat. Very cool actually. And the cool thing is, see that? That's a GoPro mount. And you can put a Garmin mount here as well. You can undo the screw and you don't have to have this mount. But how cool is that? What do you all reckon? Looks pretty neat. Pretty cool pattern on the stem here. Very nice. We're gonna search out some handlebars. Now, these components are honestly like, it's a brand that I've always taken notice of. These are the bars. P&W range. I really like the orange. I went for the orange because a big part of what I do is my YouTube stuff, and I obviously do a lot of POV based stuff, and I think to have a handlebar that you have a cockpit like that, you know, when you're riding and the logos are noticeable, I think that that's really valuable. So yeah, stoked to work with P&W and to give them the recognition that they deserve, of course. Yeah, we'll be behind these bars all year long. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on to the stem, and yeah, we're just piecing the build together like bit by bit. But Shout out to Riley and everyone at P&W. I've absolutely been spoiled already, and I'm super stoked with everything. So we have the bars installed, pretty neat pattern, and see, this is cool. This is what I wanted for, so when we're in POV, you can see what type of bars they are, and they stand out, but they look nice. Next up, we're gonna have a look at the wheels. So we have the WR1 Union wheels I explained before. We have the i9 Hydra hubs with that super kind of like a swarm of bees. Absolutely love that noise. I think it's going to sound amazing once the tire's on it. Honestly, it's really hard to see. Well, in fact, no, you can see it. You can see the carbon layer on the wheel. I think it looks so nice. There you go, it's a little bit different. Very different. I really love the feel of carbon wheels, and I'm stoked that I'm able to partner with these guys, and yeah, we have some cool stuff in the line. Oh, I wanted to say too, these are 29. This is a 29 bike. We have a selection of tires here. We have an Assegai, we have some dissectors, and we have minions. So we're gonna go with 2 minion DHFs, front and rear. We'll get them on the wheels, pump them up, and put them on the bike. We're also gonna use some muck off, no puncture tire sealant. They're the noises we're looking for. Doesn't it just terrify you when that happens? Like, I half close my eyes, just in case. Oh, oh yeah. Man, those silver hubs look insane. So next up, we've got an E13 cassette right here that we're going to install on the free hub. So yeah, I'm interested to see how this sounds, because I think obviously with the tire on now and with the cassette on, and once it's on the bike, it should dull it down. So I think the hub will sound. There we go. Bolt at the top. There we go, simple turn like that. All I need to do is find the screw now. And once you've got it lined up to the little lock logo, you insert the screw, and that basically holds the cassette together. So yeah, I wanted to mention that I am running E13 cassettes this year, which is cool. And yeah, we're going to be running the bottom brackets, chain guides, which is cool. So it's nice to keep that partnership still going. But let's have a listen to this hub. Let's take a quick look at the build so far. So of course we have the WR1 Union wheels. These look trick. Like, honestly, the silver hubs, I'm glad I went for that color. Although I do have options for future wheel builds on the rest of my bikes. So let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. Would you like to see a red one? Green hubs to match the forks? Like I said, we do have more frames coming. Gonna get a shore, a range. But this thing right now, I'm so excited to ride it. But obviously I have 29 wheels and the Maxxis tires. E13 cassette. Let's have a listen to this hub. So. Next up, we're gonna stick on the TRP, TR12 derailleur and the shifter up front, so we'll get that done now. .223mm rotor, and we're gonna get it installed. So that is wheel 1 installed. Look how good those hubs, rotors, and that caliper look. Pretty stoked. What I've heard about this thing is that it is one of the best droppers out there. Smooth, the lever feels amazing. So I'm excited to try it out. We have a sticker here. So weird seeing or just looking down on a different cockpit. Nice though, and all these grips feel good without gloves. Right, so I've actually cut my handlebars down and everything. We have P&W components, loam lever here. You can actually get loads of different little colors for this, for the rubber part, for the grip. So we're gonna get this installed. It's come with a bunch of spare parts, which are really cool. As you can see, we have the controls. We have the grips, brakes, bar stem, and the dropper lever, all on. This has to be taken off and then a new cable put on so we can thread it through the frame to the rear. We have the rotors on. The build is slowly coming to life. Right, so finally got the shock hardware and we're gonna install it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that it fits. We have the crank set on. We're gonna put some brand new fresh red mallets. So to speed up the build, we're just gonna put the chain on, link up the dropper, put the back brake on, and then we'll get the bike on the ground and we should be good. Shoot some photos and then get this goddamn press release out. But yeah, I hope you're stoked on the bike. We'll take a closer look at it once it's on 2 wheels. Damn, well, we got the bike finished. It didn't take that long. I'm super stoked on it. I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups right now and give a brief look through the bike, get it on 2 wheels on the ground, and yeah, we'll have a little bit of a sit on it. We have the Maxxis tires with the WR1 Union wheel set carbon with the i9 Hydra hubs. Sound insane. We have TRP brakes. We have the TR12 E13 Cassette Crank Brothers pedals. We have the E13 LG1 carbon cranks. DVO Topaz shock, air shock right here. We have the Norco Optic frame in this sort of forest sparkly green with the gold. Super nice finish. Then we have the P&W lone dropper post. We've got an SDG saddle. Then up front, we have the P&W range bars. We have the P&W stem. We have the one-up components tool. Like I said, the TRP brakes. P&W grips. I love the feel of these grips. They're almost like a bit of a waffle with this little lip here. TR12. Then we have the DVO Onyx SC forks in the green. Looks incredible. And I love how nice these i9 hubs go with the TRP calipers. Super tidy. Let me know what you think in the comments of this build. Like I said, Norco, super thankful to be a part of the brand. We have other bikes lined up that I will get in the near future, so there'll be plenty of other builds coming, which I'm excited for. Of course, this is to get me started on something, and I'm buzzing on the look of this bike. It looks playful, like I'll be able to have a right good time on it, which is what it's all about. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give the video a like if you're stoked on the news, the new bike, how it looks. Let me know what your favorite part is on the bike. The next video will probably be me riding it or breaking down some parts on it, whatever. Get in the comments, let me know what you want to see next. But yeah, stoked to get the news out there, stoked to get this thing built up. If you aren't subscribed already, please give a subscribe. Helps a bunch, and then you'll be notified when I upload next. But yeah, until the next video, peace out, stay safe, healthy. I hope you all are well. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Wow. It's already, just bouncing on it, it's a different feeling bike. Crazy. I feel like it's a good size though, large.